So many of you struggle with differentiating trig, so let me help you. So the first one, we've got sine 2x. Here we want to do the chain rule. So differentiate the function inside, which is going to be 2, then multiply it by the derivative of the whole function. So sine, if we differentiate that, we get cos. So it's going to be 2 cos 2x. And if you're not sure why sine x differentiates to cos x, have a look at the sine graph and what the gradient is at certain points along the graph. Okay, for this one, we're going to need to use the product rule. So we're going to differentiate this function first, and that's going to be 2x. Multiply it by this function, which is cos x. Then we're going to do the opposite. So this function here, we're going to leave that alone. And we're going to times it by the derivative of this. The derivative of cos x is minus sine x. Here we've got sine to the power of 2x. So first of all, we want to multiply the power and reduce the power by 1. Then we want to multiply it by the derivative of sine, which we know as cos. If you want to, you can rewrite this as sine 2x, but no need. Here we're going to use the product rule, so let's do sine x multiplied by the derivative of cos x, which is minus sine x. Then we're going to do the opposite, so we're going to do the derivative of sine x, which is cos x, multiplied by cos x. Then let's simplify. Now we've got cos x over x, so we're going to use the quotient rule. So we're going to do x multiplied by the derivative of cos x, which we know is minus sine x. Take away, then we're going to do the opposite. So we do cos x multiplied by the derivative of x, which is just 1. All divided by the denominator squared, which is x squared. Then all we need to do is simplify. And that's it. We could even take out the negative if we wanted to and make that positive, but no need. So save this video for your revision and follow for more walkthroughs like this.